Molly?
Molly's right there.
Is she sleeping?
Yeah.
Do you love her?
I got it in her arms. And I got it.
You got her in your arms?
I got it.
Are you snuggling Molly?
Yes.
Let me see her. Show me Molly. Ooh, she's in your hands?
Got it.
What does Molly look like?
Look like purple.
She looks like poop.
Purple.
What? What do you mean she looks like poo-poo?
Yeah, poo-poo.
That's Molly in there?
Molly's is pooping. I gotta take her in the toilet.
Oh, you gotta take Molly to go poo-poo?
Yeah, I gotta be just have some beans.
What?
Beans for her. I gotta make breakfast for her.
You gotta make breakfast for her?
Yeah, I gotta.
What does
I'm gonna make breakfast for her.
What does Molly eat?
Eat some beans.
She eats beans for breakfast?
Yeah, for
Oh.
lunch.
And lunch?
Yes,
What does she have for dinner?
we have little chickens and strawberries and macaroni and strawberries.
That's a lot of food.
I got it once. Look, them in the hand and eating it.
Oh, okay.
She's right there
She's right there?
and eating it.
Oh,
Mommy,
she's happy.
yes, she's happy. I got her toys back.
Oh, where's her baby?
The baby's right there and sleeping.
What's her baby's name?
Gabriella.
Leah, look. Tell me her baby's name.
Gabriella.
Gabriella.
His name is the baby Gabriella.
Okay, say goodnight.
Good night, Gabriella.
Say goodnight, Molly. Good night, Molly.